I want to tell you about the moment that I have never forgotten. A woman walks into a branch, first generation bank customer. She has her identity documents. She has a proof of address. She has filled out every form she was asked to fill out. 3 weeks later, she comes back for her second financial product and she is asked to submit the same documents all over again. She does not come back a third time. That is not a compliance failure, that is a system failure. And it is being replicated at scale across every segment of financial services in this country. Every time a citizen moves from one financial product to another, they are asked to prove that they exist from scratch. I'm Aparna Kumar. In 30 years of building technology infrastructure for the largest banking institutions in India and globally, I have watched this pattern fail hundreds of millions of customers. My latest article is called One Nation, One KYC. The infrastructure India cannot afford to delay. This is not a regulatory commentary. This is a case that every CXO, every board member, and every technology leader needs to make internally. The time is now, right now. In the article, I make 5 arguments that go beyond the obvious. First, the biggest barrier to financial inclusion in India is not geography. It is not connectivity. It is not product design. It is the fifth form asking for the same document. Second, unified KYC is not where compliance ends. It is where AI begins. Clean, consented identity data is the foundation for every meaningful AI model in financial services. Third, your customer's identity is not your data. It is their right. And the consent architecture we build must reflect that difference. Fourth, fragmentation is not just operationally wasteful. Every duplicate copy of citizen identity data held by a separate institution is an additional cybersecurity attack surface. And fifth, the institutions that begin their unified KYC architecture work today will lead implementation. The ones that wait will spend years catching up. So, 3 things you can act on before this weekend ends. First, audit your current KYC architecture for unified readiness. Not next quarter, but now. The institutions that wait for the regulatory mandate before beginning their architectural assessment will face compressed timelines with significant operational risk. Second, reframe this conversation inside your organization. One nation, one KYC is not a compliance cost. It is an AI infrastructure. It is the data foundation for your credit models, your fraud systems, your personalization engines. Take that case to your board. Third, build a consent experience before it is required. Regulators will mandate that consent is obtained. They will not mandate how well. The institution that builds a consent experience that is genuinely accessible, genuinely trustworthy, will build customer relationships that compliance minimum competitors cannot replicate. I began with a woman who did not come back the third time. She represents hundreds of millions of potential participants in India's financial ecosystem. Failed not by lack of products, not even by lack of aspiration, but by a system that asks them to prove themselves again and again to institutions that should have known them already. Unified KYC is the infrastructure that says, we know you, we have verified you, and your financial identity moves with you seamlessly, securely, and in your control. The technology is ready. The political alignment is closer than it has ever been. The full article is linked below. Read it, share it with your board, and I would love to know in the comments what is the biggest implementation barrier your institution sees. Let us solve this